Good morning, children. Dear students, in our previous class, we have studied about why we add manure and fertilizer into the soil. So, moving on to the next topic, you all know very well all living beings need water to live, and water is important for the proper growth of the plant, for the development of flower, fruits, and seeds of the plant. For the germination of seeds, water is essential because nutrients also get dissolved in the water and then transported to various parts of the plants. So to maintain the moisture of the soil of healthy crop growth, fields have to be watered regularly, and the water also protects the crop from both frost and hot air currents. मीन्स जब समर्स के अंदर जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्म जैसे हॉट हवाई जो है एयर करंट जो है वो फ्लो होता है उस टाइम पे, एट दैट टाइम इफ़ योर फील्ड हैव प्रॉपर वाटर, तो उसका जो इफ़ेक्ट होता है वो कम हो जाता है. लाइकवाइज इन विंटर्स ऑल्सो व्हेन द फ्रोस्ट एयर करंट फ्लोज, जब ठंडी हवा चलती हैं बहुत तेज, उस टाइम पे भी अगर प्रॉपर वाटरिंग है आपके फील्ड के अंदर तो उसका इफ़ेक्ट कम हो जाता है, कम नुकसान पहुंचता है आपके क्रॉप्स को. So this supply of water to the crops at specific intervals is called irrigation. Now, the time and the frequency of irrigation depends upon crop to crop, soil to soil, and season to season. In summers, the frequency of watering is high just because क्योंकि summers के अंदर the rate of evaporation of the water is high, and in winters it is low. Now, there are various sources of irrigation. There are various sources of irrigation like wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, dams, and rivers. So, there are some traditional methods as well as some modern methods of irrigation. In traditional methods, there were pulley system, chain pump, dekli, rahat. In the moat or pulley system, these old traditional methods use मैन पावर, जिसके अंदर या तो भाई जो फार्मर्स होते थे वो अपने मैनुअली अपने हाथों से यूज़ करते थे और बहुत सी टेक्निक्स को, या फिर बफेलोज वगैरह का यूज़ किया जाता था, बुल्स यूज़ किए जाते थे. सो ये जो मेथड्स थे जहाँ पे मोट लगा लो आप, तो इसके अंदर क्या था, एक ये पुली दिखाई दे रही है आपको, यहाँ से ये बकेट ऑफ वाटर मैनुअली ये फार्मर अपने हाथ से खींचेगा इसको, हैव टू पुल दिस, ओके, हैव टू लिफ्ट दिस and then distribute in the field. But this distribution is less efficient and uneven distribution of water take place there. So this method is cheaper but less efficient. Now another method was there is chain pump. It just like lift through a chain, there are buckets and added with the chain and from this method it takes water from the well, and then like from this chain the water supplied in the field. In the rahat system also, rahat lever system it is called, and in this also bulls or manpower is used here, and these buckets are surrounded by the wheels or over the wheels, and water is distributed then. Means in the every method of traditional methods, the cattle or human labor is used in these methods. These methods are cheaper but less efficient methods. आजकल ये methods हम use नहीं करते हैं. There are various modern methods of irrigation जिसके अंदर हम ये पाइप्स यूज़ करते हैं, आयरन पाइप्स. और द मोस्ट टू मेथड्स जो हम यूज़ करते हैं मॉडर्न मेथड्स के अंदर, द फर्स्ट इज़ स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन एंड द सेकंड इज़ ड्रिप इरिगेशन. सो बेटा इन स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन The system is more useful when there is uneven land, where is a insufficient water, means there is lack of water availability. ऐसी जगह पे ये सब methods use किए जाते हैं. So they have the perpendicular pipes, you can see in this picture. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on the top and are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. सो जो वाटर फ्लो करता है मेन पाइप के अंदर, जब ये प्रेशर दिया जाता है पंप से, जो कि वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, डीजल, बायोगैस, ठीक है, पंप को चलाने के लिए. एंड इट गेट स्प्रिंकल ऑन द क्रॉप एट एज इट इज़ रेनिंग. जस्ट सी इन दिस पिक्चर, it sprinkle the water like it is raining, like you can see in this video also. It is more very useful for sandy soil beta. Now the second method is drip irrigation. In this system also, water falls drop by drop. You can see here, water falls drop by drop just at the position of roots. That's why it is called drip system. It is the best technique for watering fruit plant, gardens, trees. The system provides water to plants drop by drop. So वहाँ पे कोई wastage, there will be no wastage of water there, and it is a boon or beneficial in the regions where availability of water is poor. So these were the different methods of irrigation, traditional methods and modern methods. Okay. So students, this is all about the topic irrigation. I hope you will understand. Okay. Thank you, students.